Samsung is slicing a pizza, smearing paint, and playing with puzzles, all in an effort to hint about what's to come in its next big Unpacked product event this month. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech updates. After clearing out its social media accounts, Samsung returned with a handful of social, almost ASMR videos that focus on sound and visuals, but offer little in the way of concrete information. A series of new videos shared to social media by Samsung point to a different ratio in the words for Samsung's next foldable. While there aren't any images of the phone itself yet, the videos all draw attention to objects like a broken chocolate bar, a lightly decapitated puzzle that deviates from standard smartphone dimensions. The new proportions appear to be shorter and stockier than most comparable devices on the market, which are trying to mimic the rough size of a typical smartphone when they're closed, just with added thickness. Taking this boxier form while folded means you likely get more of a widescreen experience when the smartphone's in its open configuration, instead of that mode feeling like a blockier tablet. We had already heard rumors that Samsung was looking to experiment with a wider foldable for its next product, and this all but confirms that the change is coming. It's tough to say whether this new approach will be a permanent shift or whether it'll be a limited run, like its intriguing but short-lived Galaxy Z trifold. Clearly, all these videos aren't just about the shape, they might be trying to tell us about some of the new features coming, like perhaps unintentional. Both the puzzle and the paint video are AI videos with edits. Were they created on the new devices? Only time will tell. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications.